Corporate sector performance in fiscal 17 is going to be driven by two important pillars. One, what's happening in the macro in India and what's happening globally. Our sense is the global scenario would be important from a currency perspective, and so therefore entities with unhedged exposures are the ones to watch out for. But it's really the domestic sector that's going to be the most impactful. And our sense is that the government's expenditure and the fiscal policy is really going to be the key driver because corporate balance sheet is exhausted. We are also looking at disruptions in the sectors like energy and banking. And we think there are clearly long-term trends that are getting set where we actually see certain industries exit or reach sunset points maybe in the rest of this decade or early next decade. I think improvements are going to come in sectors such as the solar and in the wind. These sectors have tremendous possibilities. There's expected a cyclical pickup in sectors like commercial vehicles. The key question, of course, is are these sustainable? And some pickup again, green shoots that are visible in the consumption sector. There'll possibly be a pickup from the pay commission impact if that's passed in the budget. So consumption is possibly the one that we are most bullish on in a mild manner, but capital expenditure would probably take a while. Some of the cyclicals like steel is going to be still in the dumps. And also some of the commodities that are linked to this simply because global demand is just so weak. So we are negative on sectors like metals, real estate as well, where there's a tremendous amount of leverage. I think the key to watch out is how investors are reacting. There's still a fair amount of liquidity out there, but that's scurrying to safety. And in case there's a pullout, which has begun from the equity markets, and if that were to continue, then obviously that's not good news at all. We obviously need to maintain a very tight balance between fiscal prudence and maintaining a stable currency, because that's going to be very critical for fixed income investors from abroad. So the stability of the currency, and I think RBI did a great job in financial year FY16, and they continue to keep their eyes on the ball this fiscal as well.